A Feva set up for the conditions will be balanced and easy to sail through waves and gusts using small corrections of sheet and tiller. The key adjustments before the start are jib left tension, rake, rig tension and bridle length.
You should adjust it every time, whatever the weather's like, but this is for about normal, medium settings I think, and if it's a bit light or windy you can adjust that. For light winds, lay it off a bit, and for heavy winds you tighten it off. You get creases going along the jib if it's too tight or too loose in the weather conditions. So normally the creases point to what's the problem. So if the creases are pointing that way, it means this is too tight or too loose. Normally it's a bit too tight. So if the creases are coming from this bit down, it must be a bit too tight. If it's a bit too loose, it'll be pointing towards the black bit on the jib, towards the rope going down the jib.
Elliot uses a clove hitch with a couple of extra safety hitches to get the jib tack as low as possible and in the same position every day. Use the centre hole in the clew board for the jib sheets.
There you go.
Set the boat up for medium or bass conditions with the jib hoisted. You can roll it around its luff to stop it flapping. Measure the rig tension on the shroud at eye level. For base setting, the loose gauge should read about 11 on the scale. Calibrate the jib halyard position on the mast so you can reproduce your favourite settings if you make a change on the water. Tie the main halyard to the top of your tape measure and pull the halyard to line up the 0 on the scale with the top of the gooseneck. Now walk back and check the measurement to the top of the top transom gadget. A good base measurement is 1180 mm or 118 centimeters. Ease the jib halyard and move up one hole on the shrouds in light winds and down one hole if you're overpowered. The 2-pin system makes this possible on the water. The best settings for you will depend on your crew weight and your sailing style, as well as the conditions. If you keep a record of the settings you used on good days and bad, you can develop your own tuning matrix.
The bridle, adjustable bridle, we measure the bridle with a little line in the middle, so if it's just below, it's for heavy winds, if it's just above, it's for the light winds.
In light winds, the bridles are longer. This allows Elliot to keep the boom on the centre line with the mainsail twisted, preventing the top telltale from stalling. In more wind, it's okay to sheet harder down the leach. With the bridle's full length, it's not possible to pull any harder because the blocks are touching, blocked out. Shortening the bridles means that they can pull harder on the main sheet and use all the power in the gusts. Having a mark on the deck makes it much easier to adjust on the water. In these conditions, using the kicker would bend the mast and depower the mainsail and force the boom off the centre line.